Hello everyone. If you have a 2010 Buick Enclave and you are looking cabin air filter, you may not find one. These cars don't have any. This should be the place. I just removed it and I couldn't find anything. Well, you can buy and put it on. And underneath, you see this? That's blower motor. So blower motor is right here. There is a slide, like a slot, a place to put on, but this time I don't have one. So if you need one, you can put it on. This time I'm not gonna put it on because I take it off to inspect something else problem. Something, the vents come a hot air out of the vent. So that was some blend door, temperature door actuator was stuck. Once it's stuck on, still hot air come out of one side. One side is cool, one side is hot. So again, this is 2010. I don't know about the 8 or 9, 11, stuff like that. This is actual 2010 Buick 2.6 Enclave, so it don't have one air cabin air filter. That's it.